Hey guys, my name is Kara and this is a nature and Play-Doh activity. All you need for this activity is some Play-Doh and some nature materials that you find outside. You can use sticks, leaves, mulch, stone, flowers, whatever you can find outside your house. I will show you what I found to use for this activity. These are the different nature materials I have collected for this activity. I found some twigs, some leaves, some flowers and clovers, some mulch, big rocks, and then smaller stones of different sizes. And then I also have some seashells that I collected from the beach. And then I have my Play-Doh. All you need to do for this activity is combine Play-Doh and your nature materials to make some cool creations. I will show you some examples of what you can create. These are my examples of some of the creations you guys can make. You can make a Play-Doh island where the Play-Doh is the island and the nature materials are other objects on the island like trees, a pathway, a house. You can also make Play-Doh insects and animals with the Play-Doh as the body and the nature materials as the other features. For example, I made a spider and a turtle. You can also make Play-Doh faces with the Play-Doh as the face and the nature materials as the hair, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And then you can also create anything else you want. For example, I made a stoplight, some sunglasses, an ice cream cone, a popsicle, and a strawberry. That is all I have for this activity. I hope you guys enjoy.